In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile a bank statement in Xero. By the end, you'll feel confident confirming that what's in Xero matches what actually cleared your bank. Before we dive in, it helps to have your latest bank statement handy and to make sure your bank feed has updated so the figures you see are current. Start by going to Xero and signing in as you normally do. From the dashboard, you'll see the main navigation at the top. Click Accounting to open the accounting menu. This is where all your ledgers and banking tools live, and it's the quickest path to the screens you need for reconciliation. Next, select Bank Accounts. You'll see a list of all bank and card accounts you've set up in Xero. Take a moment to confirm you're looking at the correct account you want to tidy up. Matching the right account to the right statement is essential for clean books. Open that account and choose Reconcile Account. This takes you to Xero's reconciliation area, where the goal is to confirm that each transaction in Xero lines up with your bank's records. If you're using bank feeds, many items may already be suggested, but it's still important to verify details before marking anything as done. From here, go to Account Transactions. This view shows the transactions recorded in Xero for the selected bank account. Use the search, date filters, or descriptions to narrow the list if you have a lot of activity. Clear filters help you focus on exactly what you're trying to reconcile against your statement. Choose the transaction you want to confirm and click to open it. Review the amount, date, payee, and any reference or description. Compare these directly to your bank statement. If something looks off, like a different amount or a date that doesn't make sense, pause and investigate before proceeding. Reconciliation is about accuracy, not speed. When everything matches, click Options on the transaction. This menu contains tools for managing the status of the item. Select Mark as reconciled. Xero will update the transaction status to show that it's been reconciled, which helps keep your reconciliation report and bank balance accurate. If you marked it in error, you can come back and reverse it, so don't worry, there's an audit trail. Continue working through the transactions you need to confirm, staying consistent with your bank statement. When you're finished, your balances in Xero should align with your bank. That's it, your reconciliation is complete, clean, and ready for reporting.